What if I told you that the technology you're using right now is more dangerous than you realize? That's what Elon Musk recently warned us about when he declared that ChatGPT, an AI language model, is more dangerous than we think. With the power to generate human-like responses and understand complex language patterns, ChatGPT represents a significant breakthrough in the world of AI. But as with any powerful technology, there are also risks involved. As we navigate this new frontier of AI, Musk's warning reminds us of the importance of approaching these developments with caution and foresight. Hello everyone, in this video, we will explore Elon Musk's concerns about ChatGPT and why he believes it is a potential threat to humanity. Before we delve into Elon Musk's concerns, let's understand what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is an advanced language model that uses machine learning and artificial intelligence to generate human-like responses to natural language inputs. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT is capable of understanding the context and intent of a given text input and generating a coherent and relevant response that mimics human conversation. ChatGPT is built on the GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer architecture, which is a type of deep learning model that uses a large corpus of text data to learn patterns and relationships between words and phrases. This allows ChatGPT to generate responses that are not just grammatically correct, but also contextually relevant and meaningful. ChatGPT has been trained on a massive amount of text data, including books, articles, and other documents from various fields and domains. This extensive training has enabled the model to acquire a broad and diverse knowledge base, which it can draw upon to generate responses to a wide range of topics and questions. ChatGPT can be used in a variety of applications, such as chatbots, virtual assistants, and customer service platforms. It can also be used for language translation, text summarization, and content generation. With its advanced language capabilities, ChatGPT has the potential to transform the way we interact with technology and communicate with each other. Did you know all this before? Stay connected and keep watching this video. There's still a lot to watch. Elon Musk's concerns about ChatGPT. Elon Musk has been a vocal critic of artificial intelligence for a long time. He has warned that AI could become a threat to humanity if it gets out of control. In 2014, he called AI our biggest existential threat. He has also said that AI could be more dangerous than nuclear weapons if left unchecked. When it comes to ChatGPT, Elon Musk has raised several concerns. In a tweet in 2019, he said that the world is changing rapidly and the risk of AI is increasing. He also said that the AI text generator GPT-2 poses a far greater risk than nuclear weapons. Elon Musk's concerns about ChatGPT are primarily centered around the potential for the technology to be used for malicious purposes. He believes that the technology can be easily manipulated and used to spread fake news, propaganda, and misinformation. In an interview with Lex Fridman, Elon Musk said that AI is a very powerful tool and it can be used for good or bad. It's like a knife. You can use it to cut bread or to harm someone. It all depends on how it's used. Elon Musk has also raised concerns about the potential for ChatGPT to become super intelligent and outsmart humans. He believes that if ChatGPT is allowed to continue learning without any control, it could become a threat to human existence. In a tweet in 2021, Elon Musk said that the advent of AI is like summoning the demon. You need to be careful about how you use it. He also said that AI is the single biggest existential threat we face. How impressed are you by the above information? Stay connected because something interesting is also coming in this video. The potential risks and dangers of ChatGPT. One of the main risks of ChatGPT is its ability to spread misinformation and fake news. With the ability to generate text that sounds convincing and authoritative, ChatGPT could be used to spread false information and manipulate public opinion. This could have serious consequences, particularly in areas such as politics, finance, and healthcare. Another danger associated with ChatGPT is its potential to be used for malicious purposes. For example, ChatGPT could be programmed to impersonate individuals or organizations, which could lead to fraud, identity theft, and other forms of cybercrime. Moreover, ChatGPT could also be used to create deepfake videos, where it could be trained to generate realistic voices and images of people who do not exist. This could have serious implications for privacy and security, as well as for public safety and national security. Finally, there are also concerns about the ethical implications of using ChatGPT. As an artificial intelligence model, ChatGPT raises questions about the nature of consciousness and the possibility of creating machines that can think and feel like humans. There are also questions about the responsibility of developers and users of ChatGPT to ensure that it is used ethically and does not cause harm. It is important to be aware of the potential risks and dangers associated with its development and use. As with any new technology, it is important to proceed with caution and to consider the ethical implications of its use. Stay connected, maybe we are jumping into an end. Implications of Elon Musk's warning about ChatGPT for AI development and use. Elon Musk's warning about ChatGPT being more dangerous than you think has significant implications for the development and use of artificial intelligence, AI technology. Musk, who is known for his views on the risks associated with AI, has raised concerns about the potential dangers of ChatGPT, particularly its ability to generate convincing fake news and its potential to be used for malicious purposes. One implication of Musk's warning is the need for increased regulation of AI technology. As AI becomes more powerful and widespread, it is essential that it is developed and used in a way that minimizes the risks and dangers associated with it. This could involve the creation of new laws and regulations governing the development and use of AI, as well as greater transparency and accountability on the part of developers and users. Another implication of Musk's warning is the need for increased research into the ethical implications of AI technology. As ChatGPT and other AI models become more sophisticated, there are significant ethical questions that need to be addressed, such as the potential for AI to take over jobs traditionally performed by humans, and the possibility of creating machines that can think and feel like humans. It is important that these ethical implications are fully understood and addressed before AI technology is widely developed. Finally, Musk's warning also highlights the importance of education and awareness around AI technology. As AI becomes more prevalent in society, it is important that the public understands the potential risks and dangers associated with it, as well as the benefits it can bring. This could involve greater investment in AI education and training, as well as efforts to increase public understanding and engagement with AI technology. Overall, Elon Musk's warning about ChatGPT has important implications for the development and use of AI technology. It highlights the need for increased regulation, research, and education around AI, as well as the importance of ethical considerations in the development and deployment of AI technology. This was all about today's video. See you soon in the next one.